Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will understand the simple process of uploading vouchers for e-invoicing or IRN generation in bulk using Tally Prime. The facility enables you to upload vouchers for IRN generation and cancellation in just a few clicks. Let us see how to do it. Click Exchange on the top menu and then Send for e-invoicing. If you click Send by default, all the vouchers will be selected for IRN generation or cancellation as applicable. You can also select specific vouchers and then click Send. A screen will appear with the number of vouchers you are sending for generation and cancellation. Click Yes. Now enter your credentials for portal login and press Enter. Wait for some time and the screen will display Exchange Summary where you will get the status of vouchers sent for e-invoicing. You can also use the offline export facility that enables you to avail JSON file of invoices. You can use the file to carry out the IRN generation process on the government portal. If you click offline export by default, all the invoices will get selected. You can select specific invoices and then click offline export. A screen will appear with the number of vouchers for generation and cancellations. Click Yes. Folder path to save the JSON file will be pre-filled. You can change it by clicking Configure. Choose the path and press Ctrl A to save. Now click Send. You will get the JSON file at the specified path for the selected vouchers. Now go to the government portal for e-invoicing and select Bulk Upload. Browse the JSON files for IRN generation or cancellation and upload. You will get the corresponding IRN numbers for the vouchers in the Excel file that you can download. You can now update IRN details in the vouchers manually. Let us see how. Press Alt-G. Open e-Invoice report. In the Exported section, click for IRN generation. Select the voucher for which you want to update the information and click Manually Update IRN Info. Enter IRN, ACK number and ACK date. Press Ctrl A to save. The IRN info is updated in the voucher. In this case, the QR code will not be printed in the voucher. However, if you want the QR code to be printed, select the voucher and click Get IRN Info. A confirmation screen will appear. Click Yes. Enter your login credentials and press Enter. The IRN details will be downloaded and updated in the voucher. When you print the voucher, you will get the QR code. As you saw, sending multiple vouchers for e-invoicing or cancellation is very simple using Tally Prime. For more information, visit help.tallysolutions.com.